Hello everyone, welcome back to Beat Oxygen Academy. I am Ms. Trithruti. In ongoing series of video lectures, the topic that I am going to discuss today is cache memory. As all of you know very well that cache memory is very important topic of computer organization and architecture subject. In today's lecture, we will be covering following topics. First, introduction and why we need cache memory. Second, working or we can say that role of cache memory. Third, performance parameters of cache memory and some important questions regarding this topic. So, let's see what is cache memory. In the hierarchy of computer storage systems, cache memory is very high speed memory used to increase the speed of program by making current program and data available to the CPU at a rapid rate. It works as a buffer between RAM and the CPU. Access time to cache memory is less compared to main memory. It contains a copy of portions of the main memory. When a program executes, the cache memory is searched first. Now, why do we need cache memory in computer system? Because it improves the efficiency of data retrieval. It stores program instructions and data that are used repeatedly in the operation of programs or information that the CPU is likely to need next. It is used to speed up and synchronizing with the high-speed CPU. Let's see one scenario to understand how cache memory works. In case RAM and cache memories are not available, then all softwares or programs needed by CPU are installed in hard disk, means secondary memory. As you all know that software is collection of programs and program is a collection of instructions. So CPU accesses secondary memory for instructions or programs. But processing speed of CPU is very fast. For example, execution is completed in milliseconds, while the speed of secondary memory is very slow. So, as a solution, other memory is used which is faster than secondary memory but slower than CPU. And this memory is main memory, also known as RAM. Now, CPU accesses main memory for instructions or programs. But still there is a problem of speed. So for synchronization and to increase performance of system, cache memory is used. And finally, CPU accesses cache memory first for instructions or programs. Let's see working of cache memory and performance parameters. CPU wants to run an instruction, or we can say that starts execution of an instruction. So there will be need for data. So for that purpose, first registers come. Basically registers are inside the CPU, but they are small in size or have low capacity to store data. Now CPU wants to access data. It will first search in cache memory, and if the required data is found, then it is known as cache hit. Next, if the required data by the CPU is not found in cache memory, then it is known as cache miss. If cache miss occurred, means data not found in cache memory, then it will go for second priority and it is main memory. Means CPU will search in main memory for data. If required data are present, in main memory, then that will be transferred to CPU and copy of that data will also transfer in cache memory. Now, suppose if data is not found in main memory also, then it is known as page fault. In this case, CPU will go for third priority and it is secondary memory. So, we had seen what are hit and miss. Now, the rest performance parameters are: first, hit ratio means number of cache hits occurred divided by total number of CPU references. For example, CPU refers cache memory 100 times, means CPU generates 100 times request for data and it will get result, means hit occurred only 70 times. Then hit ratio will be 70 divided by 100 is equal to 0.7. And second, miss ratio. 1 minus hit rate gives count of miss ratio is equal to 0.3. That's all for today's session. Hope you like the session and understand the basic concepts of cache memory. I am giving you some important questions related to this topic, which are: first, what is cache memory? Second, where cache memory is placed in computer system? Third, function of cache memory. Fourth, define software and instruction. Fifth, what is hit and miss? And sixth, what is hit ratio and miss ratio? Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. You can also reach us on Instagram. In case of any query, please let us know by email, link of which is given in the description.